my friends, welcome to my channel. This is Natalie from Simply Natalie, and in this episode I really want to share with you how to make coconut chocolate milk. I previously make like 3 years ago, I make like peppermint chocolate milk, and I'm gonna leave you a link below. Go watch it. It's really good. So I cannot believe we actually in Christmas day 1, and it's actually day 2 today. Yeah. So I'm gonna share with you a coconut chocolate milk. So let's get started. It's very easy. I'm gonna show you what to use. Only 3 ingredients. So the main thing is coconut milk. Then you're gonna need baking cocoa powder. Okay, and I'm gonna use from Williams Sonoma hot cocoa. It's actually chocolate chips. So you can use any chocolate chips for this coconut chocolate milk. In a medium saucepan over in high heat, I'm gonna add 2 cups of coconut milk, and I'm gonna bring this into a boil. It's almost boiling, almost. That's what I wanna see, almost boiling. I'm gonna add cocoa powder, about 1 tablespoon, and about 1/3 of the chocolate chip. When you see it's like boiling, you can take from the heat, but I reduce the heat to all the way to a low, just like that, and just simmer this like for 2 or 3 minutes, and we have a hot cocoa. Got a glass container. Looks how smooth and delicious it is. And that's it. So I made this very simple with no topping or anything. Smooth and delicious. So we got the goods. So delicious. It's so creamy, but it's not very creamy, and it's so chocolatey. It's way enough chocolate than I thought. And it's like healthy shake, but it had cocoa. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment below. What is your favorite Christmas recipe, so I can make it for you. Maybe I'll think about it, and I'll see you in my next Christmas episode. Bye.